Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue part 2. So in the step 2, you need to calculate total relief. Task, and then in this task is the third step, or the third task is to identify the type of relief. Okay, in this step you require a tax relief for year assessment 2017 table. Okay, how to get this table is from IRB. So every year they will relieve the uh, type of relief and the maximum amount that you can uh, claim or allow to be deduct from your chargeable income. So in this one, you already know how to calculate the chargeable assessable income. Now we let proceed to match with the question and the relief that available in 2017. Okay, we begin. Alright. Uh, in the first paragraph, we see Cik Tajul and Puan Hazel. So this is separate assessment. So automatically you have 9,000 each. Yeah. So why this arrow? Because this one is separate assessment. So every in the item number one, so Tajul and Puan Hazel they will get 9,000. Okay, and then um they have three children. Okay, so the three children above 18 years old, so some under 18 years old. So they said that Cik Tajul will claim the children relief. So children relief they have item number 14 and item number 16. However, you can see the keyword is unmarried. So this one have one is married. So it's okay. Later we will focus on this item number 16. And then Port Hazel monthly expenses for her parents. So it's item number 2 is 1,500 and 1,500. Meaning that if both parents, okay, this parent, right? So it's not her mother or his father. So we assume this was 2. So meaning that is a maximum to claim is 3,000, or the limited amount is 3,000. Okay, so we done. EPF per month. So Encik Tajul 1,650. So EPF and life insurance is under number 618. Life insurance and EPF, the maximum should be 6,000. So you can see it's still allowable, but you need to be careful because you life insurance and EPF is combined. So if it's 4,200 and for has also paid 2,400. Okay, this one is 4,200, this one 2,400. All right. Okay, and then medical insurance. Okay, 2,400 each pays equally. So item number 20, insurance for education and medical benefit, maximum is 3,000. Okay, books magazine, okay, 1,000 1,500. So this is under lifestyle, item number 8. SSN deposit 7,500 4,200. So this is under item number 10. Alright, so the maximum is only allowed 6,000. Okay, so the next investment in PRS or private retirement scheme. So this is under item number 19. Alright, and then medical expense for parent, item number 2. And then bought a basic supporting equipment and disabled sibling. So this one I highlighted in yellow. So it's not applicable. Why? Because it's a basic supporting equipment, disabled self, spouse, child and parent. So sibling is not included. But I just want to show that this is basic equipment. So let's say it's a self, so it's a deductible. Alright, so purchase a notebook, so it's under item number 8. So its maximum should be 2,500. Okay, and then zakat will not is a tax rebate, so annual tax is tax deduction. So I think that's all for our tax relief. So let's we start to calculate. All right. Okay. So in the tax, you already calculate the taxable income. So when you are taxable income, so individuals you already get automatically. Alright, so 9,000 allow is 9,000, so it's automatically transfer 9,000 because this is a separate assessment. So how about parents? The paid by Puan Hazel. So Puan Hazel will pay 3,300 ringgit. See, 300 ringgit multiplied by 12. So this one is 3,600 ringgit. So allow per parent is 1,500, but in this case the maximum is allowed is 3,000. All right, and then you will the expenses is 3,600, but you can only claim 3,000. All right, and then children we can see is one I mean Encik Tajul. So you see in the first children, item number 16, 8,000 is allowed 8,000, but married, so it's not applicable. So the amount is deduction is 0. And second child is not married, above 18 years old, unmarried, study in Malaysia, 60,000. Item number 16. So the maximum is 8,000. Okay. And then the third child is item number 14, 2,000 allowable, so is claimed under Encik Tajul. Okay. And then EPF, where you can see EPF here for Encik Tajul, when you calculate, Encik Tajul EPF is 90,800 annual. And then his life insurance is 4,200. So when you total up here, is already go for maximum. So what that can Cik Tajul apply is 6,000 only. Alright, and then okay, total insurance. So this is item number 18. Alright, so for Puan Hazel don't have any problem, so you will transfer all for life insurance. Okay, life insurance is 2,400. Alright, so claim all. Medical insurance, alright, okay, medical insurance you will get this one. Okay, so lifestyle, okay, lifestyle item number 8 you need to claim is 2,500. Okay, so this is okay, back to medical insurance. 20 is the max amount is 3,000, so both is 2,400. 2,400 is still can claim all because it's under 3,000. So this one is the max is 2,500. Both are by magazine is 1,000 and 1,500. And Cik Tajul purchase a notebook, you can see it's 3,500. So actually it's already max amount. So Cik Tajul only can claim 2,500 and 1,500. Alright. So item SSPN, the maximum amount is 6,000, but Cik Tajul paid 7,500, so it's only can claim 6,000, but the max amount. But Puan Hazel is paid below 6,000, so she can claim 4,200, the maximum amount that she paid. Okay, and then in a PRS, okay, Cik Tajul will claim they paid 6,000, but the only maximum amount is 3,000, so it's record 3,000 amount. Okay, and then medical expense for parents. Okay, this is Cik Tajul paid, okay, 5,500, but the maximum amount is 5,000, so it's only claim is 5,000. Alright, and then the basic supporting requirement. Okay, so this one Cik Tajul paid for his sibling is not applicable. So what you do is you total up, okay, you total up all this relief, okay, you total up this release, you will get total 43,922 500 for Hazel and also Tajul. Alright, so we have already finished step 2, total relief. So this video will continue to part 3. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.